Another week, another paycheck. Let's get started cash stuffing. Hey there, baddies. Welcome back to the channel. We are in the month of September. Let's go ahead and stuff this paycheck. All right, so if we look here, you can see my income was $4,000. I'm now going to start only paying the bills as they come out of each paycheck, just because I feel like that will help. So the bills that came out of my first paycheck were the mortgage, our electric, gas, and Wi-Fi for a total of $2,039. We have our variable expenses, subscriptions, extra debt payments, and sinking funds. If it's highlighted in yellow here, I will no longer be cash stuffing it. Solely sinking funds and a few variable expenses. So let's get to adding to those now. So gas is one that I'm just going to keep using my card. Groceries, we're going to add $100 to that one. This is one that may also move to card only. We'll see. Eating out, we're going to be adding $40. We are really trying to eat out as less as possible because, honey, we are trying to unbig our bags, okay? All right. Spending money. We're going to give spending money $50 this week. I may actually use it when I go to Lowe's to give me some new plants. And giving is going to get $10. Your variable expenses will vary for you. You may very well have one for coffee, your kids, and everything in between. I have a beauty envelope here, but it has enough for my fill this week with $50 in it, so that's why I'm not adding here. So that's everything for my wallet. So all those are stuffed. Next, you see the subscriptions that came out of this check are Netflix, Amazon, Kindle Unlimited, iFit, which is my treadmill, and Apple Music for a total of $69. That leaves us with $1,592 to put towards debt, sinking funds, and extra savings and investments. So, sinking funds, let's go ahead and look at those here. So here in my low priority, we have, let's see, car maintenance is going to get $42. So 20, 40. And 2. So in here now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 720, 721, 722, and car maintenance. I'm really trying to get back on track with cash stuffing. This advent calendar is the biggest project I've ever undertaken, and so it has taken a lot of time. Christmas isn't getting anything with this check. Pinky is going to get $50. We're going to go ahead and pull that fully funded out because we had spent that money. He had to get another surgery. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550. He got his cherry eye taken out, and that was like right at $1,000. So that little fully funded is gone. I hope it's $450. I think that's what I said. Okay, up next is pool care, which is honestly going to move to bills because it is a bill. We pay it every week. So in here now, I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550. And we're adding 50 to that today. So that'll make it 600. And I pay the pool right now out of my buffer, but it's about to start coming out of here. I just wanted to build this up before I move it to bills so I can stay ahead. Housekeeping. This is another one I pay for every week that's going to move to bills. That one's getting $50. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 530. And it's $150 every 2 weeks. So this one is good to move to bills now. All right, let's go ahead and look at our high priority sinking funds. And out of these, it looks like we're adding to our emergency fund here. And to our emergency fund, we're going to be adding $100. So in here now we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,500 in the bank. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So I'm actually gonna pull this. So I'm gonna add in another 1K slip, and this money is going to get deposited into my high yield savings account. So 25, 6, 7, 8. So in total we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,500, 25, 6, 7, 8. And our goal here is $10,000 by the end of the year. I haven't been as diligent. Oh, look, there's another. I was like, nobody. Have I not been as diligent? The goal here is $10,000. We have 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 9,500, 25, 6, 7, 8. So that should be a 9. I was like, I know I'm doing better than that. I haven't looked at the balance in that account in a while. Okay. Up next, we have repairs, which again is for the house. I found that you always need a decent amount of money here. Home warranty and stuff is good, but in repairs, we're going to add $20. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 920, 930 in repairs. Okay. Y'all hear somebody snoring in the back. It is Pinky. Insurance is going to get $100. And this has gone up. I bought my niece a car, so I don't even know what this new premium is going to be. But I'm fully funded to pay the current amount, which I believe I paid this week. And this will come out. So insurance is getting $100. So in here we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 540, 552. 552 in insurance. And I believe I'm going to have to start contributing more because she is only 21 and I know that premium is about to go insane. So that's it for our high priority sinking funds. I don't even remember what I wrote here. And so the only money I have left is $1,000, and $500 of that is going to my solo 401k, and the other $500 is going to my Roth, which I'm going to do a rollover, a backdoor Roth or whatever. But those two are digital as well. So that's all the money I'm going to be cash stuffing for today. This $1,000 is going to my high yield savings account for my emergency fund. And we're all good. So that's it for this paycheck. Until next time. Bye.